You ready? Let's go. Cover us, cover us. Hit forward. Get the better cover, get the better cover. Get the better cover, Brett, get the better cover. You good?
Yeah, I put my barrel in the dirt though.
They tell you smack my guy real hard on the ground. The guy in front of us should be dead. We have contact on our left.
I think there's someone there, I can't tell.
Ready? Is your gun straight?
There's a grenade chucked in your trench. I think the guy next to you, oh, never mind. No good.
Fucking dumbass, bro.
No good.
Alright. Okay, your gun ready? Do you have your gun ready?
Yeah.
Pop up, we're serious right now. We're not fucking around. Pop up and clear shit. Ready? Go. Start pushing that way slowly.
Yeah, I got right there.
Keep moving. And forward and forward. Go, go, go.